Speed reading and smart learning is a franchise system organized in cooperation with the Door International company from Wiesbaden. General idea of this program is that students will learn faster, more willingly and more focused. Our students are school population, college population and adults. Some of the results our students are achieving after 6 months program is to increase their speed reading 4 to 5 times. They increase their understanding of the material they read for 50%. They learn approximately 3 times faster than their peers. Those that are interested in joining our franchise system, we can offer training, know-how, all educational material, marketing and head office support. Please call in order to join our team.